This is the Wildcat Report. Bethune-Cookman University and Opera Orlando came together to bring the wonderful opera of Treemonisha to the Dr. Phillips Center, where members of the B-CU's Concert Chorale, along with director Karl participated in this beautiful night, resulting from a partnership between our school and Opera Orlando.
You've actually come to the inaugural association between Bethune-Cookman University and Opera Orlando. In fact, just yesterday, Gabe and I solidified our continued partnership. In fact, we're co-opting an internship and apprenticeship that will start in the fall, where our students from Bethune-Cookman University will be given opportunity to intern and apprentice with Opera Orlando. And I think that's a major testament, one, to the training that they are getting at Bethune-Cookman University, their personalities and their talent. So it's good that they're being noticed, and I love it for them.
B-CU students were grateful to be a part of this memorable performance.
It's an honor. It's been great being around so many talented, skillful people who have been doing this for over 10 years, over 20 years, and still love to do it, still enjoy it, and just have so much to pour into us youth.
This partnership opens doors for students who are looking to make a career in theater and music.
It's a very good opportunity, and this opportunity actually means a lot to me because I want to go into this, this kind of field in theater, with opera and musical theater. So being able to do this is like really good. It's like good to have this as an opportunity to do.
As the first of many, stay tuned for future collaborations with Opera Orlando and for more magic coming to the stage from our Wildcats. This has been another Wildcat Report.